couple of recipes out of the book that I showed last week on my video. The one that's just been listed into my store, the Thermo cooker. You can use this for any thermo cooking machine. I've got a Thermomix, so that's what I made my recipes in. So for the tomato ketchup recipe, I've already got all my ingredients out. I don't really follow recipes properly from the ingredients. I kind of just change things around sometimes. So yeah, we've got here, it says 1.5 kgs of Roma tomatoes. So I just had a mix of tomatoes in the fridge, so I've just used what I had, and I actually had a little bit less as well, but that won't matter. And it was one red capsicum, and I had a yellow one, so my ketchup is going to have yellow in it. Next was 2 cloves of garlic, so yeah, I've put 3 because I like my garlic. Some apple cider vinegar, 100 grams, which is there. Well, I've got the garlic soaking in. All these ingredients will go in the Thermomix together, so it doesn't matter if they're mixed up. Didn't measure my cider vinegar, but that's roughly that amount. And 90 grams of brown sugar. Didn't have brown sugar, so I've just used raw sugar. And then we've got mustard, so it's 2 teaspoons of mustard. I just used whatever I had in the fridge. And the spices there, it says to use onion powder, which I didn't have either. So I used a bit of garlic powder, allspice, and what else? Sweet paprika. I just had normal paprika, so I used that. And I put a bit of cinnamon in instead because that will make it a bit sweeter. And a pinch of ground cloves, which I didn't have either, but the cinnamon will kind of give it that taste that the cloves give it. So I'm just going to put all the ingredients in now. So I'll just put the tomatoes in first. Literally spill them. Ooh, it's looking very full already. Capsicum, the sugar, the cider vinegar, which I don't spill this, I overfilled it. That in there. Tomato paste. Let out my spices, and last of all my mustard. Right, so I'm just going to turn that on. So that needs to be for 30 minutes, 100 degrees. At speed 2. So I'm just going to leave that to go. It's a bit noisy. And then after that I just have to take a little measuring cup and put the steamer on and just do it for another 20 minutes. It'll evaporate the liquid out of it. Oh, let me see what it looks like at the end. So it's all finished cooking. I've made 3 jars, so I've just put 2 so far into some sterilized jars. I'm really happy with the consistency, and it is so yummy. It's probably just a little bit sweet, so I'll probably put like less sugar next time. But yeah, I think this will be my go-to. No more bought ketchup sauce from the supermarket. And so easy to make. Pretty happy too, because I changed the ingredients around a little bit, but it's just turned out really yummy.